People, I want to listen to this guy. He's so upset. Listen to what he have to say.
Let me get straight to the point. Yeah, this, I don't know this. This is a Rasta boy I come to. See me, at that same Rasta man, let me say a big up Colaz pan a video when I big up Murphy. I talk about Murphy. See me, how much good things me and the man talk about. That the same Rasta boy, you know me I tell you, you know. Same Rasta boy. I talk about Murphy. And I big up Colaz, or Colaz are the best and Colaz are the this and Colaz are that. See me? And the same Rasta boy I see come and I burn bad lamp for Colaz. I'll bring all badness to the man. See me?
That's the part I think like, because you cannot bring badness to the person. You have
and
no
stop
idea
right after the man back to get fame and get little likes and so. Better go build some content, youth. They just dip on the man from what that thing they just pass and gone, brother. See me go build some content, brother. Go find something else to do and stop right after the man wave all a try plot. I put ideas in other people's mind, but Colaz we start pay in extortion fee and them thing there. Like you give some man idea. Better go build some content and come off of the man, Bridget. Lord, the man make the man do what he do, youth. See me? As some you make me feel like you got trim. And we are ball like Colaz. Brother, you are dirty, go ahead. And I say I break Bridget Billa. I just watch it a while ago, I Bridget Billa thing. Pick up Colaz. I don't know where you, but me I tell you, big respect you. I just watch it thing. I mean I look good how Colaz attack and like the man have to think what he must say. Brother, I don't know what your name is, but big up yourself too. Me just watch it. See me? Just watch the thing. See me? I watch it more than 10 times a while ago. I rewind every minute and I watch how Colaz attack and the man have to think. Like him as a
guys, you can hear
how
upset he is. Keep listening. Keep
some
listening.
of the people and we all want bunny more, but guess what? Man do what's best. Cause man, instead of you give it to the Badmind, to the me dem want girl, me dem want styler. But she not deserve it. Cause you go put that money there to use to feed the less fortunate. See me? When you go give her now this little dirty big belly boy, you go end up go up there. And you go live in your head and you go feel. You go get angry within yourself. So you know say them banded this and you still wait them there. Me never give her if I did me. See me? But this Rasta boy have to just stop right off for Colaz. Find some other thing to do. That been passed and gone. And you still depend him. Yes, the man regenerate the team and everything come back together and the man move forward. And you still depend the man. Every day you have bring all badness how you did God. You used to God and you carry all the weapon, the man this and that and yo this and that and you're bad man and you bring all badness to the man. Dirty Rasta man go build some content.
Guys, I have no idea why
come off of the man,
the dread guy was talking move on, all them things where my talk. I have no idea. Keep listening.
The man will do something better with the right name there. And Brethren will build a thing and show me just I see it. Rate, you respect you, blow out. 100% behind your youth. And anything we Colaz do and say, I saw it figure. But this man keep on a ride off and the man wave like
he's so upset about what that Rasta guy is saying and doing to Colaz that make him so hungry. He's so hungry. Just keep listening.
And you said when we see a big up Colaz and when big up Murphy and them sitting there and Ray and this and that. And as you see him, I see I'll bring out badness. And badness I bring out to Colaz, you know. Brother, you're just as bad as Nick and Groundhog. And I Groundhog that, Groundhog. I don't even want style about big sour dirty Nick and the dirty red Rasta boy there. My apology for calling her Groundhog, but right now,
guys, he have enough.
Me never know nothing better.
He have enough.
Because then realize, and you come and make all of this happen from one right name there. You alone. I mean, your back Colaz now, nothing. Man, take you and put you up on a plane. You better, lady, you have to look where you come from. Look where you come from. Look where you come from. And them boy, they would never yet would have looked on you. Look where you come from. Again, my apology for calling you Groundhog, but trust me. I don't even want to call you, not even your name I don't want to call. Because I made it feel so good. Let me see where the man take you from. Come on for you, the Rasta boy I made up on. You just dip on this man. Just every minute we turn the station. You dip on the man. Bring all badness to the man. You're even bad man. Because bad man not talk to them a bad man. And you carry, when they used to go to school and they used to carry all of the weapon them. I feel like you are gun. I own them when you have some man them called gun bag. You say you used to carry all of the weapon. Because you're a fool. You don't realize. A fool, you carry everything and when break time or over school over, you have to find every man and give them them weapon. You say you're the idiot. You say you're the idiot. One bag of weapon, police hold you, school dean of discipline hold you, and you alone getting a problem because you can't even snitch out nobody. You say you're the idiot. Boy, are you like every tool. But no man can. And all you give hard days as to blood cleat, all you locks them would have turn all great to pussy clad. Man, all you give too low days as. Oh, batty boy, Rasta boy, go here man. Come out for the man thing. You see me do the video? The one video and big up me Dan. Colaz a one Dan man. Again, the brother will do the video a while ago where I show me. I see me just see it, the Colaz up on the thing and I rate you out. Glad you highlight that, make the whole of them see that. The whole of them see that. I'm glad you highlight that, brother, make them see it. Go Rasta boy, go build some content for yourself, man. Just go build, you know what the man do? You see the man start from, you see the man do, go in the hills. I best if you go hold a meds out. Firm up your meds, brother, and stop right after the man wave. Come after the man back now, man. Dirty Rasta boy, you're a bad man and you're this and that and more you see this man. And some real Rasta man hold and give it too loud as. Boy, you went in there. Brother, if I strong I hear red pan color, you where I find. Batman Rasta boy. Yeah, them Rasta, yeah, dread. And them dread do dreadful things and you try to carry down them and a piece of you. If you try to bring your curse. See me, a bad man, you're a bad man, brother. We are trying to look some views. And some views they look.
Yes, guys, as you just watched that video a while ago, his name is Jamaica Sensation. You know, he's just upset about this Rasta guy who I do some vicious and some cruel things to Color TV. It now works still, but he just want to get what he want to get it off his chest. And I understand exactly what I say because I saw me feel too. But one of my subscriber, when I subscriber them, said to me, say, me fi stop do video about that specific individual. Yes, and nothing call his name, you know, so I do exactly what my subscriber told me to do, which is fair and is good, because by calling his name and talking about his channel and all them things, it's just like you're sending people over there to watch it. So the subscriber says, don't give him any energy. So Jamaica Sensation is just getting off what he have on his chest, just like all of us, because the things that he's saying towards Color is not good for Color, is not safe. Yeah, you know, things, yeah, he's doing some things that I think at some point somebody have to, or YouTube have to do something about it, because what he's doing is not only talking, he's putting things in people's brain. He's saying what people can do to get around Color. So, you know, it's not a good thing. So, anyway, my people, you don't know what you do. Like, share, comment, help the channel to grow. You know, help me grow this channel so we can get more followers, more subscribers, more likes, more shares. So, I'm out. Peace and love, and always, before I leave, you know the word. If you don't have nothing good to say, no say nothing at all. Have a good